So I was chilling on Instagram. I came across, you know, the car meet that's gonna happen right now. It's not like a crazy, like, you know, full send car meet, but it's like a park and chill. So I was here doing nothing. I hit up my boys. They're about to pop out. So I was like, you know what? Let me get up. Let me get ready, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. It's nice out. That's the good thing. It's like 65 degrees right now. Let me go ahead and get ready, and then take you guys with me. So right now, guys, I'm driving to the meetup spot with the guys. I'm gonna go link up my boys first. I'm gonna get some footage for you guys about like the cars that are there. We'll, you know, walk around, show you guys around and stuff. I actually haven't been to a car meet or anything car related in terms of like car shows in a while. It's supposed to start at 9:30. That's what they have it at. You know, you never get there on time. You gotta get there a little late when everybody kind of there, you feel me? The boy right here, man, we got everybody in the car. We got the boys back there. Right now we're heading to the spot right now. There's more cars behind us, you just can't see them. Let me see if I got you. Hold on, where's the mirror thing at? It's up there. But yeah, I'm behind the boy. I think we got some other cars, and then we're gonna pull up over there and see what's up, man. The cops pulled up. We're about to go to the next spot. We're about to move right now. I don't know where we're going, but I'm just following everybody. And everybody going crazy now. As soon as the cops pull up, you know, dip.
So cuando desde que tú ves drivetrain malfunction, come to the dealer, change it, bro.
When the what? The drivetrain malfunction?
You got that?
Nah.
Why are you asking?
Nah, I just want to know what it is, nah, bro, estos carros no, nigga, estos carros no le hacen nada de eso. Yo no le he hecho nada de eso para que me saque.
When that shit comes on, bro.
Nigga, mañana lo llevo. Quítate de ahí.
Vamos a hacer cerito.
Right now, though? Yo, vamos a hacer cerito ahorita. Llegó el chuchero. Llévase la limusina de ahí, eso no corre. Niggas got the Supras over there. Yeah. El diablo se bota más humo que la smoke. Nigga got the diablo.
Yo want to look like a
Ugly
fan?
ass. Where? I don't want to look like a fucking fan.
Niggas still gonna record it and post it.
Where? And motor. Look at this nigga. They ain't be walling on that shit. Oh, that shit. Ooh, that shit clean, boy. Yo. Nigga, como que yo cago aquí, bro. Gah! This is un BMW, bro.
Yeah.
This shit look just like a BMW, bro. Damn, this shit, I feel mad high in this shit. Damn, no backseat, bro.
Nada, nigga, not even a little bit.
This shit got no backseat. That's what I like, though, so nobody can come with me,
That's
nigga.
a fact.
Boy, go crazy. Crazy, bro. I don't know how well you guys can see me. Just got off the phone with my boy, and I actually just got off work, so I don't know if you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it, but probably not. But I got my work clothes still on, and my boy hit me up and told me that they are at our little secret spot where we do donuts and we have fun and we go crazy. So I didn't get that much footage for you guys last time when I went to the park and chill. Let's see what's happening. I'm over here kind of, it's wet. It rained a little bit outside. So that's probably why they're here, because when it rains, you know, you don't waste that much tire. I'll make a video for you guys at some point of me spinning, but I'm not going to spin today. Because one, I don't got no tires. And two, I don't want to spend 100 and whatever much money on, you know, brand new tires, okay? So guys, as I'm popping up, what's going on right now? And this is the first thing I see. I think that's a 535, 5 something. And I think that's an all-wheel drive car. So he's spinning an all-wheel drive car, which is crazy. And my car definitely can't do that. Oh, he's going crazy. Oh, yeah, he's going crazy. Oh, he's going crazy. Yeah, it's an all-wheel drive for sure. What's up, bro? It stinks, nigga. Smells like ass. I don't got my other camera, nigga, so I gotta record with this. Oh, he went. Oh my. Nah, he going crazy. crazy though. Nigga said, como galleta que te está dando. Pa! C43. One. Oh. Damn! Nah. Crazy. That's a real drive though.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Yeah, they just spinning the big body, nigga. He's spinning everything in New York. Fuck out of here. Yeah. He's spinning everything. Yo, it's cold right now, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know how much they're gonna spend, but if they do, I'm gonna keep recording for you guys, man. I didn't get that much footage on the car meet that I told you guys about, so I'm getting footage right now. This is more late anyways, because they was at that spot we were just chilling. They weren't even doing anything. At least here, you know, you guys get to see the spinning and shit, which is fun. Always fun. Waste some money, waste some gas, waste some tires. So guys, it's the day after. You know, I didn't really end it last night just because we were just chilling, to be honest. It was nothing crazy, you know. You guys, hopefully I captured some of the cars that were there. But of course you guys are gonna see it. And then today it's actually kind of ugly out. Look, it's gonna rain. But yeah, I'm gonna start going to more car meets and car shows and stuff like that, so I can show you guys what's up and then show you how we do it here in New York, man. Maybe I'll spin my car too so y'all can see what's up there. But I need tires and I need money for that. And tires and gas are expensive right now, so that's a dub. But you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video. Comment. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one.